Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I want to show you guys how to take those old outdated floor lamps and turn them into something brand spanking new. Let's get started. All you need is a lampshade. I got mine from HomeGoods for only $16.99. You want to make sure that your lampshade has a slight dip on the inside and then also a hole for a light bulb. Next, you're going to unscrew the light bulb from the old lampshade. Remove the lampshade, that easy. Then you're gonna take that centerpiece and remove that from the old lampshade. Now, please don't mind my old lampshade. It's pretty dirty on the inside. Embarrassing. Next, you're gonna unscrew that black portion from that metal piece, because that black portion is going to make sure that the light bulb, once you put the lampshade back onto the floor lamp, it's gonna make sure that it's not wobbly. So you're gonna need that piece. Next, screw that black piece back onto the floor lamp. See how secure that is now? Then you're gonna grab your lampshade, center it on top of the floor base of the lamp. Screw on a light bulb of your choice. And there you have it, folks. That's it. Instead of buying a brand new lamp at $149, I upgraded mine for only $16.99. Here's a before and after. And here's what it looks like in this space. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And follow me daily on Instagram at Rashida.Banks and on Pinterest at /RashidaBanks. Again, thank you guys so much for watching and subscribing. I'll see you in my next video. Toodles!